Hello friends, welcome to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I am going to show you another Valentine greeting card. For that we need quilling strips, cardstock, white paper, quilling needle, this quilling tool, glue, pen, and see, I am going to show you this beautiful and cute bird. And we need three types of strips, that is red, dark red and pink, and bit of black for eyes. So let's start. First we'll fold this cardstock. So this way we want it in horizontal manner. This way we'll stick here, and this is the white sheet, and we'll paste in above this front card. Just paste it. See, I have pasted this. Let it dry, keep it aside, and we'll coming to the quilling strips. See, I have taken one pink, one red and two dark red, and we'll use this tool. If you haven't seen my video about how to use the quilling tools, please see that. So I'll show you in this also. Just crimp it. Do this for all the strips. See, I have done this. Now we'll take and paste this strips together. See the right side of the strip and stick it. First pink, then the red, and then the dark red. One pink, one red and two dark red. Just paste it and let it dry. See, now the strips are dried. Now we'll start quilling. I have taken one pink, one red and two dark red for the body. Just make a coil. Just loose it. Make a loose coil. Apply glue. Now we'll make a teardrop shape. See, just pinch it. We need this size, so we'll check it out. Now comes the face. See, I have taken half strip of black and one red and half strip of dark red. I have glued it. I will start quilling from black. Make a coil. See, I made the coil. Just glue it. Loose little bit. Glue it. Now I'll make a teardrop shape of this also. See, this is of same size. Yes. On this now comes wing. I have taken half strips of red and half strip of dark red. We'll make a coil. See, I made a coil. Just loose this coil. Make a teardrop shape. This one. We'll see. This is of the same size. make these scrolls. If you don't know, please watch my video about scrolls also. I'll share in the description the link. Now we'll assemble this. We'll stick this here. See, we'll see this and we'll stick this. Here, paste this wings in this manner. This manner. See this. Now I have made the scrolls. See. I'll stick it here. See, these are another scrolls. Just stick it. These 3 scrolls we need here. 2 dark red and 1 pink. And this manner. Just stick it. See, I have completed these 2 birds. Now we'll stick on this card. See, this card opens horizontally. Now we'll stick on this. We'll arrange these 2 birds in this manner. We'll arrange this birds. And we'll glue these birds here, and this is the heart. Please see my earlier video, and I'll stick it like this. Just glue all this. See, I have glued these birds and heart. Now comes the sentiment. We'll write here love. So this is it. See, I have written the sentiment love, and see how beautiful this quilling bird love birds look like. So please like and share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.